Looks like it's live.
Alright guys, we've run into a problem. I might need your help, but we're going to do a little flooring magic here. Come on down. Alright, so this happens a lot. We run into a problem like this a lot. And I was going to show you guys what we do. So here we are, we're coming to the edge, we're coming to a door. And how do I get this piece in? Let me see here. I can try to get it in like this. It's not going in that way. I'll try to get it in like this. Oh, it's not going in that way either. So, what do we do when we run into a situation like this? Let me show you a little flooring magic. Come on down. Okay. We pull our glass grill off. Okay. That's easy, right? We put this board in here. We get it under the jamb like that so we can't see our cut. Okay. We get this board here. We put it on like this. I hope you guys are following me so far. Okay. You want to make sure that you can put this board in and you're past your other board here. Okay, we're there. And you want to get a flathead screwdriver and you want to take just a little bit of this tongue off right here. Just a little bit. Let me show you guys. I'm angling it a little bit down. We're just taking a little bit of that tongue off right there. Lock this board in. Okay. We're going to back lock this board in. Good. One down here for the grand finale. Tommy. So we cut a little bit of our tongue off. We back lock these boards. So I'm going to put my knees on this side. You can see we're bringing the floor together here. And then I'm going to use a pry bar over here. Bam. And that, guys, is how you do a little flooring magic. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.